Best 5 fruits for kidney patients. Well, your diet plays a significant role in managing disease, whether it's kidney disease, liver disease, or disease of brain and heart. Foods that come directly from nature may have some therapeutic effects on your condition and can contribute to the healing. Well, I'm talking about fruits. How some specific fruits can bring positive results in your condition and help you get over disease. Kidney diseases are now very prevalent, and opting for the right food choices is crucial as what you eat has a major role in controlling and bringing positive results in kidney disease, especially chronic kidney disease. Alright, hello and a very warm good morning to all my viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and I gladly welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can get acquainted with a lot of scientific detailed information on health and wellness, healthy diet, nutrition, yoga, exercise and disease treatment with natural and holistic care. Today in my video, I will discuss the 5 best kidney friendly fruits that help manage your kidney disease and support healing. So let's know. See, the kidney is such a vital organ of your body that helps in detoxification by filtering out toxins from the blood. Well, it is a major detoxifying organ of your body, so it's very crucial to opt for fruits that reduce inflammation and oxidative damage from the nephrons. So now I am telling you the 5 best fruits for your kidney health. The first fruit that comes to the top of the list is blueberries. These little superfoods are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients called anthocyanidins, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation and promote renal health and protect your kidneys. They are also low in potassium and phosphorus, making them a perfect snack option for smoothies and salads. 1 cup of blueberries contain 114 grams of potassium and 18 milligrams of phosphorus. Kidney patients often complain of nausea, vomiting, and constipation. Apples are a great choice of fruit rich in fiber which supports gut health and eases constipation. A middle-sized apple contains 4.5 gram of fibers and they are also beneficial for regulating blood pressure and reducing sugar. Both are crucial for kidneys as they are the major contributing factors for CKD. Apples are also low in potassium and can be enjoyed raw, baked, or as a refreshing juice. Well, the third fruit is strawberries. Do you know why strawberries are a healthy option for your kidneys? Let us know. They contain 2 types of phenols, anthocyanin and L-glutathione, which improve kidney function and support better kidney health. These berries are packed with antioxidants, fibers, and vitamin C, making them great for overall health. Plus, they have anti-inflammatory properties that support kidney function. Enjoy them in smoothies, salads, or as a snack. Now, let us talk about grapes. Grapes are a great option for kidneys as they have a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol, which helps reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys. They are also rich in fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, manganese, etc. They are also hydrating and naturally sweet, making them a great alternative to sugary snacks. Now, our last kidney-friendly fruit is pineapple. It is well known for a digestive enzyme called bromelain, which helps dissolve kidney stones in the body. It is also a low potassium fruit that helps reduce blood pressure and lower the risk of further kidney damage. It is also packed with vitamin C and other potent antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Alright, so I have discussed 5 best fruits that can help you alongside your kidney treatment and support overall health. Diet is an important factor for managing any chronic disease like chronic kidney disease, but it cannot be a full treatment. I know how painful it is to struggle with kidney disease, and modern medicine have only limited choice of treatment which may cause severe side effects in the long run of treatment. Well, don't worry. Kidney disease can effectively be treated with Bharat homeopathic medicines. These medicines are absolutely safe and effective and bring results in shortest possible time. They heal the disease from within, holistically tackle the symptoms, invigorate the system, and improve overall immunity. We at Bharat Homeopathy have treated thousands of kidney patients worldwide and offered them a medicine free and dialysis free lifestyle. Your kidney problems are now effectively treatable with personalized and customized Bharat Homeopathic medicine. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks. Have a great day.